Hi there. In this video, we will be exploring how to install professional brush set for the Gimp. You can install that brush set by simply following these thorough instructions. Just scroll down. The installation procedures are listed below as well. They are located at this GitHub location. Gimp is a powerful image processing and can certainly be used for painting. This is the brush package that I am going to install. To download, click the green button. Drop-down menu will pop out. Click Download Zip. It is small, about 7.2 megabytes. Next, I am going to proceed to installation steps. Followed by menu, setting installation. I go to Edit Preferences. Expand folders. Creating brushes with rich effects in Gimp requires a combination of 3 settings: brushes, dynamics, and tool presets. You can tell Gimp to look in the locations listed below. After extract zip file you have just downloaded, and if you're using Windows, move it into this folders. Naturally, the username will correspond to yours. Next, you need to copy the path of brush, dynamics, and tool presets. Click Add Folder icon and paste the path. There are only 3 paths you will need to copy. I don't check the box to prevent Gimp from changing the default setting. Click OK to finish. Next, restart Gimp. Next, I will do the show dialog steps. Open the window menu, Dockable Dialogs - Tool Presets, and you can see the brushes in the top left corner among other tabs. Click the small triangle button on the upper right of the Tool Presets dialog and uncheck Show Button Bar. Click the small triangle button on the upper right of the Tool Presets dialog and click to view as grid. Tear this tab to float it. Resize it. Click arrow down and set to SLOS to hide the built-in presets. Click the small triangle button on the upper right of the Tool Presets dialog to preview size and select the large. Set the Paint Brushes tab to the edge of Gimp main window next to regular tabs. I will set mine to medium. Finally, in the menu, edit Preferences. Under Window Management, Save the Settings, click Save Windows Position now. You might want to uncheck Save Windows Position on Exit and click OK to finish. Thanks for watching.